So we're out here on, what is this, West Battle?
West Battle.
West Battle Lake, Minnesota. Dave's out here, the old man's running this Johnson that he got in a boat deal, and it was supposed to be a parts motor. What do you think, old man?
So much for parts. Hey, we can make parts run.
That's right. Listen to that little booger just cut.
1949. Oh, I'm sorry, 1939.
1939. So throttle it up a little bit. You gotta adjust. Oh.
Well. Hey, first time out in how many years?
How's it doing?
She's a little toasty.
Oh, she's not pumping, huh? Well, then maybe we're not going to run that anymore. But one problem at a time.
Got to figure out where the water pump is, let alone how to replace it or service it.
How to fix it. And then what's the other one we're running here?
The other one is fully restored 1958 Mercury Mark 25. Thing was a basket case when I got it. It ran fairly well, but was just as ugly as they come. And so this one received a full restoration, and not afraid to show its face anymore.
Right.
Really a sweet runner.
Let's he's gonna go ahead and
fire that one up.
Kick that one up.
After I shut the gas off of this one. Okay, hang on. Okay, gas off, and here we go on this one.
Fires right up.
Just a sweet running motor. There we are in gear.
In gear, and away we go. Comes right back down to an idle like perfect. You guys can have them Hondas and Tohatsus.
Here we are back in neutral and reverse. Sweet running motor.
All right, we'll be back on the next video for the 15 horsepower Johnson. Say bye.
Goodbye.